Select the Profile tab. Hit the cogwheel at the top right corner of the screen and scroll down to Preferences. Select Units. Here you can change your unit preferences for weight, distance, and body measurements. This will also convert other users' data to your default preferences, so you're comparing kg to kg or pound to pound. Hit the back arrow. Select Push Notifications. Here you can customize which push notifications are sent to your phone for specific notification types. Hit the back arrow. Select Workouts. Here you have the ability to disable your phone's sleep mode, so that your screen stays on during your workout. You can also change your timer sounds. Adjust timer volume. Change your default rest time. And select which date to start your training week and adjust your calendar based on your selection. Hit the back arrow. Select Social. Here you can toggle the suggested user panel on or off. Hit the back arrow. Select Integrations. Here you can select which data Hevy shares to your Apple Health or Android device equivalent.